Comfrey is a perennial herb that returns every year, valued for centuries in gardens and traditional medicine. Its large, hairy leaves and bell-shaped flowers attract bees, while its deep roots draw up minerals from the subsoil. This makes comfrey incredibly rich in nutrients, a powerhouse for any garden. Tough, resilient, and quick-growing, comfrey provides a constant supply of leaves. It improves soil, feeds other plants, and has been trusted by gardeners for generations. Comfrey truly earns its place in any garden, big or small. Gardeners rave about comfrey, calling it the best plant food and a miracle worker for tomatoes and potatoes. These stories are passed down through generations, becoming part of gardening folklore. The idea of a free, endless supply of plant food is appealing, but are these claims fact or just tradition? It's important to look at comfrey with a critical eye and see what science says. Personal experience matters, but understanding the real strengths and limits of comfrey helps us use it wisely. Folklore often contains truth, built on years of observation. But modern science can tell us exactly what's inside those big green leaves. It can explain why comfrey works so well for certain plants. So, let's separate myth from reality. What nutrients does comfrey really offer? How does it help our gardens? By understanding both tradition and science, we can make the most of this plant. Let's dig into the research and see what makes comfrey special. The truth is even more interesting than the legend. Scientific analysis shows comfrey leaves are packed with potassium, a key nutrient for flowering and fruiting. This explains why comfrey feed is so effective for tomatoes, peppers, and fruit bushes. Comfrey also contains nitrogen for leafy growth, though not as much as potassium, and a small amount of phosphorus for roots. So, comfrey isn't a perfectly balanced fertilizer, but it's an excellent source of potassium. The nutrient content varies depending on soil, plant age, and when you harvest. Homemade comfrey feed isn't always the same, unlike store-bought fertilizers. When you make comfrey tea by soaking leaves in water, the resulting liquid is a quick potassium boost for plants. Not all nutrients transfer to the liquid, but it's still a powerful feed. Science confirms comfrey's value. It's a fantastic natural source of potassium with some nitrogen and micronutrients. It's not a miracle cure-all, but it's a proven, effective tool for gardeners. Use it where it shines, especially for fruiting and flowering crops. Comfrey's real power is in its targeted nutrition. Let's see how to put it to work in your garden. Comfrey is a gardener's secret weapon. Use it as a liquid feed, compost activator, or mulch. Pack leaves in a bucket for liquid feed or add them to compost to boost decomposition. Lay wilted leaves as mulch to feed plants and suppress weeds. Comfrey cycles nutrients, making your garden thrive, naturally and sustainably. Try it and see the difference in your garden. Comfrey is a fantastic tool for organic gardeners, providing a free, renewable source of potassium. But your garden needs more than just comfrey. Use comfrey alongside compost, leaf mold, and manures for healthy soil. Tomatoes love comfrey feed, but leafy greens need more nitrogen. Use nettle feed or grass clippings for those crops. A variety of natural fertilizers ensures a wide range of nutrients. With comfrey in your toolkit, you're gardening smarter and greener.